Welcome back to the AutoCrafters, your ultimate pit stop for raw power, classic soul, and everything in between. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic revivals in the off-road world, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. It's not just a tribute to a legend, it's a bold reinvention. So buckle up, this one's a wild ride. The original FJ40 was the definition of toughness. It wasn't built to impress, it was built to conquer, and in 2026 Toyota decided to tap into that rugged DNA again, but with a modern heartbeat. This isn't just a retro-style SUV, it's a born-again beast built for the wild and wired for the 21st century. Toyota didn't just resurrect a badge, they revived a mindset. The FJ40 is a nod to the golden age of off-roading, infused with modern engineering, tech, and refinement that makes it more than just a weekend warrior. The 2026 FJ40 carries unmistakable DNA from its predecessor: round headlights, flat fenders, upright windshield, and that iconic boxy silhouette. But now everything is sharper, more muscular, and purpose-built. It's like the classic FJ40 went through a boot camp in 2026, leaner, meaner, and decked out in tactical gear. The paint options are earthy and rugged: desert khaki, forest green, matte gray, each one screaming adventure. Step inside, the FJ40 strikes a careful balance that feels nostalgic yet completely modern. You get exposed bolt heads, minimalist dash design, and grab handles, but also digital instrumentation and a large infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin is all about purpose. No fake wood, no piano black plastic, just honest materials, modern tech, and trail-ready durability. Under the hood, no matter which engine you choose, the FJ40 delivers torque on tap. It's not about straight-line speed, it's about crawling up boulders, ripping through sand, and climbing where others stall. Here's where the 2026 FJ40 surprises you. Despite its body-on-frame platform and off-road prowess, Toyota has dialed in remarkable road manners. It's not a Lexus on wheels, but it's no lumbering dinosaur either. The FJ40 is civilized enough for daily use, but wild enough to go feral at the flick of a switch. Even when the trail disappears, your tech doesn't. Toyota made sure the new FJ40 gives you tools to explore with confidence and without needing a paper map or compass. Toyota could have just thrown a retro body on a crossover and called it a day. Instead, they built a machine that respects its roots while charging ahead. That's rare, that's special. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 isn't just a vehicle, it's a mission statement that tells the world that off-roading doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort, tech, or environmental responsibility. It's a machine that makes you want to find the long way home, the hard way, the muddy way. It's for those who see a boulder and think challenge accepted, for those who look at maps and ask what's beyond that. So whether you're a weekend warrior, an overlanding junkie, or a collector of icons, the FJ40 is more than ready. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to AutoCrafters, and let us know in the comments, would you take this over a Bronco or Wrangler? Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep your wheels dirty, your engine loud, and your spirit adventurous.